I need to get this pin on this folding door into that socket over there, and there's nobody else to help me here, so I'm going to have to do this myself. So the first thing I do is remove the pin from the door. Now I'm going to place this in the socket, and now I'm going to center this hole over that assembly there and drop it into place. The reason I don't leave the pin on the door is because I won't have any room to feel around and see how much I'm missing it by or how far off I am from the hole. And beside that, with using only the pin, I'm liable to crush my fingers. Now I have the door over the pin assembly, and I'm just going to drop it into place and see how far off I am. I'm able to go down here and feel with my hand and see. And by not using just the pin, I can just keep moving it a little bit till I get it right over the pin. And now that it's right over the pin assembly, I can just gently drop it into place. Now I've got the pins in the top and everything is working hunky-dory.